If you watched literally any of my videos, you know that I don't upload unless I have something for you guys. This weekend is the Arnold Classics weekend. Um, when COVID hit, stuff stopped, everything stopped, and we haven't been since probably quite literally 2019. But yeah, that's where we're going this weekend. I look absolutely freaking crazy. Nothing went right with the makeup this morning, so we're just gonna leave the house like this. You guys will be getting an outfit check, but as you know, I always have a goal to get something in mind signed. But, this weekend, if it doesn't happen today, that's fine. As long as it happens sometime this weekend. I would like to get this signed, for obvious reasons, if you guys haven't, learned yet. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best to get this signed. I feel like Arnold hasn't seen very many of these, especially, today, because when this movie first came out, there was Turbo Man dolls probably, almost on every shelf. So it would actually mean a lot if I got this signed, because he signed my poster a couple of years ago, from the movie. So yeah, that's my goal today.
Filming? Yeah. Hi, welcome to the Arnold. This is going to be the best experience of your life. Stay tuned.